The fractional part of 2 to the power 4n by 15 is 1 by 15 or 2 by 15 or 4 by 15 or 7 by 15. At first we go with proper method, next we do with shortcut method. So let's start. 2 to the power 4n upon 15, that is 2 to the power 4 whole to the power n by 15, that is 16 to the power n by 15, and we can write 1 plus 15 to the power n by 15. Now expanding this with binomial theorem, 1 plus nc1 into 15 plus nc2 into 15 square plus plus ncn into 15 to the power n upon 15. Now we can write in this way, 1 plus, we can take common 15 from the rest part, so we get 15 into nc1 plus nc2 into 15 plus plus ncn into 15 to the power n minus 1 upon 15. Now 1 by 15 plus, we can cancel out 15 by 15, so we can write nc1 plus nc2 into 15 plus plus ncn into 15 to the power n minus 1, nc1 plus nc2 into 15 plus plus ncn into 15 to the power n minus 1. Now the fractional part obviously 1 by 15, so A is the right answer. Now we can do it with shortcut method. We can put n equal to 1 here, n equal to 1, so we get 2 to the power 4, that is 16 to the power 1, that is 16 by 15, and it is 1 plus 1 by 15, so fractional part is 1 by 15, so A is the right answer. If the coefficients of 4 consecutive terms of 1 plus x to the power n are a1, a2, a3 and a4, then a1 by a1 plus a2, a2 by a2 plus a3, a3 by a3 plus a4 are in AP, GP or HP. So at first, to get 4 terms, we can take the value of n is 3, n equal to 3. So 1 plus x to the power 3 equal to 1 plus 3x plus 3x square plus x cube. The value of a1, a2, a3 and a4 are a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 3, a3 equal to 3 and a4 equal to 1. The 3 terms a1 by a1 plus a2, what is the value of a1 by a1 plus a2? 1 by 1 plus 3. So we get 1 by 4. What is the value of a2 by a2 plus a3? a2 by a2 plus a3 equal to 3 by 3 plus 3. So we get 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And a3 by a3 plus a4 equal to 3 by 3 plus 1, so we get 3 by 4. Now 1 by 4, half and 3 by 4. The 3 terms are in AP. Why? Because if you multiply this with 2, 2 into half, we get 1, and if we add first and third term, that is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, we get 4 by 4 equal to 1. We know if A, B, C are in AP, so 2B equal to A plus C. So 1 by 4, half and 3 by 4 are in AP. So A1 by A1 plus A2, A2 by A2 plus A3 and A3 by A3 plus A4 obviously are in AP.